What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out the Ekster Grid Backpack. If you're new to our reviews, this is the first time I'm looking at this backpack. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't unzipped anything. So we're going to be checking out all the features together and hopefully discovering some cool things. If you're looking for the best travel backpacks, I've linked to our blog post below where we check out a bunch of them. We also have a blog post about the best camera backpacks. All right, before I get into it, I want to read some of these features because this thing is supposed to be packed with a bunch of them. And I'm hoping I can find everything, but just in case. I wasn't familiar with the brand before, but after reading about it, I think I do remember seeing this. They actually launched a high-tech wallet through Kickstarter and raised over $350K within the first 40 days and $1 million in the first year. So I think I've seen their wallet stuff, or I've seen ads for it somewhere. And so they're excited to launch this Grid Backpack. This backpack has integrated tech in it. It's the first ever trackable backpack that is able to charge your laptop and 3 devices simultaneously using a laptop power bank. It's made with recycled PET and water-resistant 600D materials, has full 180 frontal opening. It has a suspended 16-inch laptop pocket with semi-auto lock zippers that keep devices separated and protected from impact. It has some modular add-ons like a tech case, camera cube, and laptop power bank. I'm not sure what they included in here, so we will check that out. It has a hidden RFID-proof side pocket. All right, those are some of the highlights. Let's get into it. First look at it, I really like the design. It's kind of clean, modern, has some kind of like cool features and highlights with the buckles and the straps. It holds a very solid form. I'm pretty sure some of the accessories are in here. It is a little heftier and heavier than most backpacks, but I think the material is just very heavy duty. All right, let's start with the front. It has this nice like metal logo, Ekster. I don't know what these straps are for. They have kind of little looped areas where you can put carabiner. And then this section, just this bit comes off. If I can get it off. Oh, it's literally just that little area. So this might just be more design than anything else because I don't really know what I would buckle into that. It only comes off right here. So that might just be design. There are a couple more of the loops. They have 2 on the top here. Again, something you can put a carabiner through. On the side, there are some compression straps made with that similar buckle. So this could be just to strap in any loose gear that you wanted. And then on the other side, there is a water bottle holder. This is a 24-ounce water bottle, not huge. But it fits nice and snugly here. And you got this compression strap on this side as well. The straps are relatively padded. I wouldn't say the cushiest I've seen, but it's also not the barest I've seen. And they have more loops going down the strap. Again, places to hook stuff. The back is also nice and padded. I'm not sure what the air circulation is going to be like. There's just these kind of small grooves you can see right there. And there's a handle on the back side as well, so you can hold the backpack up like this. There is no waist strap or sternum strap on this, but it is a smaller bag, so you probably won't need it. It fits well. The contours are nice. It sits nice and flat against my back. On the back side, there's a zippered pocket here that is for the side with no water bottle, and it's kind of just opens up to this whole area. Flat, nice and easy. I would probably throw a passport in here. I'm wondering if this is the RFID. Yes, this is the RFID blocking pocket. So it's only accessible from your backside. So if you have it on your back, it's hard for people to reach into it. But it's RFID blocking. If you're worried about that, you can throw any of your wallet or passport, any documents into that side. On the back of the backpack, it opens about, I don't know, down to the first strap, however 3 inches, and opens into a general laptop area. There's a small divider section that goes in about 5 inches, I would say, that is nice and felted and has a small zippered pocket for smaller items. And then the main section, you could throw your laptop in, and this is where it doesn't go all the way to the bottom, it goes to about here, so that if you slide your laptop in there, you don't have to worry about it slamming all the way through to the ground. Let's open up the main bag, and ooh, okay, we do have some goodies in here. I'm gonna put these to the side. Let's start with the back panel. The back panel has two kind of meshy, zippered, stretchy areas to help you organize stuff. This is good for cables, socks, underwear, kind of loose items that you want to have easy access to. And now on the deeper side of things, up here, this is that small pocket, felted pocket that I was talking about. So you can see the pocketed section from this side, which is interesting because the laptop section is just this whole back. So it's just this little additional pocket to give you an idea of the size. And then there's also like a tablet pocket here. So that's kind of an interesting location for it, as opposed to being right next to the laptop. It's on the inside. And then two open mesh pockets right here for anything that you just need to secure but not zip up. Otherwise, the backpack is just kind of an open design, and you can pack it with packing cubes or their accessories. So let's check those out right now. Everything that they send, including the backpack, comes in these like nice bags. This one, for example, is a waterproof dust bag for gym stuff, swim stuff, or whatever you want. So they make it so that you can reuse it as well. There was something in the bag that I missed. So this is the tracker card. So you can track your backpack. Basically, you have to install the Chipolo app from the App Store, follow the easy in-app steps to set up your Ekster tracker card, and then you're all set and you can throw it in your backpack so you can track your backpack. That's pretty cool. I'll put that in the bag. First up, tech case. Front and back side, same thing. They use this like looped design to hook stuff on. And again, another decorative kind of buckle back here. The tech case itself, let's open it up and see what the organization is like. Ooh, I like that. So a lot of tech cases that I see sometimes only open like a little bit. This one opens fully. On one side, you got the mesh pockets. And on the other side, you have a felted area that is just kind of nice and open and organized. And then you have a couple straps here to strap cables in. Next up, what do we got here? It looks like a camera cube. Again, similar design with the straps, a bunch of these hooks and everything. There are two functional hooks on the side. It looks like it's made to have an actual strap on it. And here's the strap. These are really nice metal hooks, so they don't skimp out on any of the material. And I always love these modular designs because when you get to a place you may not want to carry your backpack. So now you have a little camera carrying case. Let's look at the camera cube itself. It opens fully, which is pretty nice because you can really shape all these dividers much easier, that it's not, you know, just open on the top and reaching in. This would easily fit our R5, but probably not much else. Depending on the lenses we're bringing, maybe another small extra lens. There are a couple zippered organization sections, memory cards, batteries here, but it's a nice simple design. I usually prefer to have access to my camera more easily when it's packed away, but you know, some people don't necessarily need that and you just want it right when you get there. The one nice thing is you can take this camera bag out and carry it on its own, and it comes with that strap. With the tech case and the camera cube, it is pretty full in there. I wouldn't get much clothes otherwise, but this is kind of more of like a day pack, maybe a couple nights, you know, depending on what you're packing. If you're only packing clothes, you could easily go a weekend or more. But if you're packing camera gear and some other stuff, then maybe not as much. Overall, probably not the backpack for me in particular, again, because I prefer having access to my camera like from the side of a backpack when I'm carrying it around. But for anyone who is just looking to carry their gear from place to place, this is great. It's nice and clean design. I really like that everything is just, it feels like quality material. And so they didn't really like cheap out on anything, which is nice. Plus you have all those kind of tech features. I never found where you put the charger to charge your laptop and all of that. Maybe that's what some of these pockets were for that are next to it. But they do sell a specific charger through Ekster for laptops. Just remember that you need a different charger for laptops as opposed to just your phones. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I've linked to this backpack so you can check it out in more detail. Also, I've linked to our blog post for our best camera backpacks and best travel backpacks. And if there are any other bags I should check out, let me know as well. Thanks and happy adventuring.